I've got 7 minutes to get my butt to the gym right now. I've got a 9 a.m. core workout class. I don't think I've ever filmed a video where I show like a week of workouts in my life. I really like to diversify what I do. I don't like to just stick with one thing. If I just stick to the same workout, then I don't really feel my best or look my best. I'm starting this on a Sunday. I've got the most busy week ahead of me, so I'm gonna make it a priority to get in my workouts during the week while also balancing school and exams. So yeah, see y'all at the gym. Just finished up my core class. I'm gonna head home, quickly get Matcha into his harness, and then we're gonna go on a walk with my friend Nick. Nick is someone that I met in my biz comm class. On the first day of school, he sat down next to me and we just immediately hit it off. He's bringing his dog. I'm obviously bringing Matcha. Matcha's in the car right now. Hello, Angel. We're gonna go to Goldstein's Bagels, get some yummy bagels, and then we're gonna hit the Greenbelt and do a nice little walk because it's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday today. Hi, Josh.
This is all of them. Like, genuinely, it's bro. Like, they...
It is so gloomy and cold outside, and the only thing that I have going on today is an exam at 4 p.m. Today's been a full day of cleaning the house, running errands, getting groceries. Now I am just taking a little nap before I go take my exam today. I didn't get to take Matcha on a walk, even though I try to do that every day. After my exam, I'm gonna hit the gym, probably do like a full intensity workout. But right now I am just chilling, content with this fluffy blanket, and I will see you guys after my exam. A girl is hungry, and if I don't eat something before I work out, I'm gonna pass out. Today I'm feeling either Stairmaster or running, and then I want to hit glutes today, so that's what we're gonna do. Casually making sure that there's no nuts in here. We're good. Before I do any workout, I like to do some dynamic stretches. Now moving on to abs, I did just a quick little workout, but these are also some of my favorite ab exercises. This is typically the go-to ab routine that I do before any leg day, arm day, basically any sort of workout. I'll do just solely ab focused, but in almost any exercise that you do, you're engaging your core, which is why I think it's really important to prioritize it and set aside time at the beginning of a workout. Now moving on to some functional glute movements. I'm slipping on this resistance band, which I'll link down below, and I'm just doing some glute bridges with a 15-pound weight. Because today is glute heavy focused, I like to do some practice exercises to kind of warm up my glutes and get them ready. Starting off strong, we're going to be doing some RDLs. I'm just using 15-pound weights. I'm doing 3 sets of 12 for every exercise that I'm going to be showing today. Then I went to the first floor of the gym and set up at the hip thrust machine. I'm so glad that they have this machine here because I know that when I add plates on the sides, it's not gonna fall off because the machine is so sturdy. When I used to do CrossFit and we would do hip thrust, I would have to hold it on the bar, and oh my gosh, I swear, I would always have it lopsided, and I felt like I could never truly feel the movement because I was just so worried. You can grow your glutes so much just by using this. Time for some cable kickbacks. This machine is great because all you do is lower the lever, grab the little Velcro straps, put it around your ankle. I always feel it most in my glutes when I kick at a 45-degree angle with my foot slightly tilted. This is really great for building that side glute, and then after each set, I increase the weight. moving into the female only room at my gym. I did some wide leg dumbbell squats. I'm just using a 35-pound dumbbell for this one. There's something about doing this in the wider stance. I just feel it so much more. Of course, I wanted to get in some cardio, so I did a mile. There was one more machine and exercise that I wanted to do. So I went to the treadmills because that's where I could get a good look and keep my eye on the machine to see when it was finally open. And then when the hamstring machine was finally open, I ran down there, did 3 sets of hamstring curls, and that was my workout for the day. I'm filming this voiceover the next morning, and I can confirm my butt hurts. I just finished my workout, and I'm so excited to go home because this morning I oiled my hair, which means it's a shower day. I don't even want to look back at the videos that I filmed because I feel like I look horrible in them. But at the end of the day, it's all about progress, right? Good morning. This morning I have a microeconomics exam. I'm gonna head out and probably leave my house in like 20-ish minutes. I have a couple things that I need to do for work first, so I'm gonna crank that out before I leave. It's kind of sunny today. I don't think it's gonna snow or rain like it did yesterday. That was so random and I was not expecting it. So I think today I'm gonna try to go on an outdoor walk. And then this evening I'm teaching a bar segment. I'll bring y'all with me. I wanted to share my favorite hand cream at the moment because my hands have been so disgustingly dry here in Idaho. It's the L'Occitane hand cream. Not only does this just scream classy, put together, but the smell is amazing. It reminds me of Capri Blue, like the volcano scent, and it's extremely hydrating. Let's be productive, get some work done. I'm gonna drive to campus, take my exam, and then let's move our body. It's freezing. Welcome to Idaho, everyone. The sun is out, the snow is down. I just went shopping. Does anybody else's dog do this on carpet? Anyways, I'm printing out my bar workout right now, and then I'm gonna head out to go teach that segment of class. This is today's bar fit. Sorry if it's loud because they're currently doing construction right now at my house. Top is from Spider. Blue workout shorts are from Set Active. I'm gonna feed Matcha right now before I head out. And then I wanted to try a new protein flavor bar. It's this one. Wait, can you see it? It's like a blueberry crumble one. I'm seriously so excited. I feel so bad. I'm gonna have to leave Matcha for quite a while tonight, from like 4 till 8, because I'm doing a study session with a group of friends in the library today. All right, this is the flavor that I'm gonna be trying. It's the Quest Crispy Blueberry Cobbler. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to eat this. We're gonna just dig into it. I've had basically every single Quest protein bar flavor ever. And then I saw this one at Target and I was like, whoa, this is straight up my alley because I love things like pecan pie, pumpkin pie. So if this is something in that realm, like a cobbler, oh, I already know I'm gonna love this. Smells amazing off the bat. 16 grams of protein. Whoa. Okay, so there's like a layer of jelly. This part tastes like Cocoa Krispies, like Rice Krispie treat. Wow, that is amazing. That actually tastes like a blueberry cobbler. How did they even do this? Did you eat all your food already? Oh my gosh, you're acting like I don't feed you. The coating on this tastes like yogurt covered fruit or raisins. You know, you know. Y'all, this is really, really good. Time to get all set up for bar. I'm not gonna lie, teaching a bar class is not easy, you guys. I did not think that it was gonna be as hard as it is. Doing this semester-long course has really helped me learn a lot of things about the things that I should do, what I shouldn't do, once I finally start teaching my own schedule for real. Hi, I just went to Plato's Closet and dropped off a bunch of clothes. So while I'm waiting for my quote, I'm gonna eat my Chick-fil-A salad. This is my first time ever getting a salad from Chick-fil-A, so this is gonna be like a reaction at the same time. I think I mentioned this earlier, but I'm meeting some friends to do some studying tonight for BizStat. I got the market salad and I added the chicken nuggets to it. I picked these 2 sauces, light balsamic vinaigrette and then fat-free honey mustard. I'm gonna start with, let me make sure that there's no pineapple in this. Perfect. I have to like scoot my chair back because I sit way too close to the wheel. I have a story for y'all. So whenever I was in high school, I used to get the Cool Wrap Ranch. Wait, is that the right thing? The Cool Ranch wraps from Chick-fil-A. And every single time that I would finish it, I would just get the worst stomach pains. I would be head in the toilet, barfing, and I always wondered why. I was like, what in the world is going on? So, come to find out, wait, do I want this one or this one? Okay, we're gonna do the vinaigrette. Come to find out, the reason why was because there's avocado in those things. And I didn't get the sauce, like the avocado sauce that you can get. No, like the actual wrap had avocado in it. I think it's like inside the tortilla or something. Horrible, guys. So, yeah, that explains a lot. Now I have to check and make sure that there's no pineapple, no avocado, no nuts in anything that I eat because God really blessed me with all the allergies in the world. Bar class went good. I'm not officially teaching right now. I'm doing like a teaching course. So I do these like mock trial classes and I get advice and feedback back. And honestly, I love constructive criticism. I don't take things personally ever because life is too short and most of the time people are just trying to help you out. I'm just having a blast doing this. And you may be asking, why are you adding more to your plate? You already are a dog mom, do social media full time, and go to college. Well, hi, I love staying busy and I thrive off of building and adding things onto my resume. I love working out, so this is perfect. I can get paid, teach, and get to do the workout all at the same time. Not me making a mess. Oh, the nugget literally fell in the crack. Wow. I don't know how I've never gotten this before. This is amazing. This may be unpopular opinion, but if you get grilled nuggets, I don't trust you. I feel like if you're gonna go to Chick-fil-A, you might as well just get the ones that are fried because they're so good. Stairmaster today killed me. Granted, I didn't even do it that long, but it's really freaking hard. People just pulled up. I'm gonna go now. Y'all, look at how beautiful my home is. I am obsessed with Idaho. It amazes me every single day.
It's gonna be your number.
So I realized I never showed a haul of what I ended up getting earlier in the day, so here is that. First, we have this little measuring cup set. There was only one of these, so you know, I had to get it. And with my birthday coming up in the month of March, I might as well buy a cute pack. That way I have some personalized stationery for when I write my thank you letters. Today was a rest day, so I did not work out. It is never good to overwork yourself, and today was a very busy academic day. I went to Sweet Cheeks Beauty Bar here in Idaho and got a facial, which you guys will already have seen, or it'll be in the next video. Not really sure what the upload schedule is gonna look like. I walked all around campus today, but other than that, I did not feel like working out, and that is perfectly okay. It's good to listen to your body, and tomorrow I am gonna be doing a HIIT workout. I scheduled one for the late evening, so that's gonna be really fun. See you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Good morning. Cha-cha, say good morning. Hello. All right, I stopped at the Human Bean, picked up a matcha with pumpkin and oat milk. This has been my current obsession, you guys. You need to try it and just trust me. Oh no, please tell me it's literally not raining. Y'all, I drove all the way to the Greenbelt because one, I have a brand deal that I need to film right now, and part of it has to be filmed on this Greenbelt. And I thought it was finally dry, but I'm looking at my window right now. There's some raindrops. All right, it's fine. We're gonna go on a walk. We're gonna see how this goes, and yeah. Sorry, Josh, no walk today.
There's like, you know, nothing going on. It was really sad.
my way to Pilates right now. This is the last day that I'm doing like a workout. So plan is I'm about to take Pilates and then Matcha and I are gonna go on a walk. If it doesn't rain, hopefully. It is that time of the month and I love low impact workouts whenever I'm on my period. So Pilates actually murdered me today. It was so hard. My quads, oh gosh, I don't think I've ever been through a workout like that. And also this is the first kind of exercise class that has ever made me shake in my legs. As you guys know, I'm training to be a bar instructor. It always makes me shake in my arms because it's short endurance movements, but there's something about Pilates. I have been addicted to it. After my workout, I went to the Boise co-op and I just picked up 3 little groceries. I got this almond chicken salad and then 2 different gluten-free pastas that I just wanted to try out.
I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication.